So KwaZulu-Natal has vaccinated its first healthcare workers against COVID-19 today. The province's initial batch of vaccines arrived this morning. KZN, of course, was the first place in the country to confirm a case of the virus almost a year ago. Now it's armed and ready for battle. Reporter Mawande Kheswa has more.
Today marks an important step on our journey to defeat and eventually conquer this silent and invisible killer, which caused so many devastation amongst our communities.
KwaZulu-Natal has at various times been one of the epicentres of COVID-19 in the country. Now it can fight back. The province has received its first batch of vaccines, and it's hoped this will turn the tide in the fight against the virus. KwaZulu-Natal currently has 2 vaccination sites.
We thought that the best way of identifying who we want to start with in terms of health facilities is looking at facilities that have had the highest number of infections. And that is why in this instance we are starting with Prince Msheni and Prince Albert. So immediately after that we are likely going to do one facility in Umgungundlovu, the other one in Ilembe.
And these healthcare workers are excited.
I was extremely ecstatic to find that Prince Msheni will be one of the first hospitals in KZN to get the vaccine. And I was even more honored that I was the first doctor.
At least we have one of the solutions now towards achieving the clearing out of the pandemic.
We welcome the launch of the vaccinations because we believe it's long overdue.
Initially, over 160,000 health workers were set to be vaccinated over 4 days.
Because of the number of vaccines that we are receiving, we have had to revise that particular plan.
Despite some anti-vaccination sentiments, government says it will continue educating people about why the inoculations are so important. Mawande Kheswa, Durban.